The following message has been transmitted at the request of the NYC Police Department. A law enforcement warning is now in effect. At 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a blue heeler pup was spotted near the Hulu Theater in Madison Square Garden. Characteristics include blue fur, white belly, and yellow snout. It is unknown if the pup is hostile or not, so the police department recommends keeping a reasonable distance until its intentions are known. Updates will be provided on this situation. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. Stay tuned to this channel, as we will frequently update the info on this developing situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the NYC Police Department. This is an update to the law enforcement warning broadcasted at 1:28 yesterday, Friday, June 23, 2023. The blue heeler spotted yesterday at Madison Square Garden at the Hulu Theater has been deemed hostile. It will kill anything in her sight. The creature has also been identified as Bluey, from the popular TV show. Stay away from her at all costs. Take all necessary precautions. If Bluey breaks into your house, call 911 immediately. Do not attempt to attack her, as she could instantly kill you. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. Only use your telephone if it is an emergency. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. A shelter-in-place warning is in effect. Take cover now. At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the threat, Bluey, was confirmed to have called in nukes. It is strongly advised you go to your fallout shelter. Fallout can leave you sick or even kill you. Do not leave your shelter. It is too late to evacuate. Remember, there is nothing to be gained by trying to get away. If you leave your shelter, you could be putting your life at risk. Grab your children and pets. Bring non-perishable food, water, clothing, your mobile phone, phone chargers, and a battery or hand-crank radio. Make sure to bring extra batteries if you so choose to bring a battery-powered radio. Shelter in place. Take cover now. The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an emergency action termination. It is safe to leave your shelter. The SCP Foundation has captured and contained Bluey. The threat is now over. I repeat, the threat is now over. It will take years to repair the damage caused by Bluey and the nukes, and at least 50 people died. But, you are now safe. If Bluey breaches containment, You will be notified immediately. Your government thanks you for your participation and cooperation during this emergency.